So this Kia Optima Hybrid is having AC problems. The problem is that this discharge hose, the high pressure line, is actually leaking. So it's leaking over here and also leaking down there. Yep. So we need to replace this hose. I think it's like a 10 mm bolt over here, and then the one that attaches to the AC compressor down there. So we're gonna take that out. I could access it by jacking up the car, and then there's like an access in here. Yep. So I got the old one out, the leaky one. So this is on the compressor side, and actually it matches with the replacement one. And the replacement one has the O-ring too. So I'm gonna coat that one with the oil, hybrid oil, and this one too. So I vacuumed this guy, and I'm waiting for the vacuum to go down actually. Go back to 0. If that goes back to 0 or 10 or 20, that means that we have a leak somewhere. So luckily nothing. Yep. So I'm gonna let it sit for another 10-15 minutes and see if it goes down. But I don't see any movement, which is actually a good news. So on a Kia Optima, yeah, this is your high pressure and this is the low pressure. So I got the hose replaced now. See that new shiny new hose? They're easy to access down there and also up here. Yep. And the yeah, if you look at that, yep, there's the refrigerant information. So it takes R134A, and then it's like 1.16 to 1.27 pounds, which I think is close to 19 ounces. Okay, so it's been more than 15 minutes, and I don't see any movement there, so no more leaks. And I have 2 cans in here. So this is like 12 ounces from Walmart, like around 10 bucks. Yep, 12 ounces. And if you weigh that one, it's around 15.5, or yeah, 15.5. So we're gonna do like probably 7. Yeah, 7 should be around close to 18-19 ounces. Yep. So if we do 7, yep, that should be like half of this. Now we're ready to put in 1 can, so that's 12 ounces. Yep. So I'm gonna release some air in here, just a little bit. This should suck in immediately because we have vacuum there. So we're gonna open only the low pressure side. There you go. Should suck in that refrigerant, and there goes your temperature. 1 can. This should be our static pressure, like around 70. Yep. And then we're gonna turn on the car. On the car. Oh man, it's so hot. To the max AC. Okay. Not yet cooling, but okay, we're gonna wait until it becomes 5.5. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, temperature is like around 35, 210. Yep. And we got like 1.5 cans for those. And it's really cold now. It's really cold now inside. Yep. The 2011 Kia Optima Hybrid is actually a pretty decent car. So I got a 2007 Camry Hybrid, a Ford Escape Hybrid, a Prius, and this actually drives better than the older Prius and the older Camry Hybrid. It has more power actually. It's quieter. The engine is quiet. It has a GDI engine actually, and I could actually like drive in EV mode longer than on my 2007 Camry Hybrid with this one, and this one got like 170,000 miles. So a friend of mine owns this, and there was a leak on the discharge hose on the air conditioning, so I have it replaced and recharged it. What I noticed though is that there were some green stuff on the refrigerant. So I'm hoping that the mechanic who worked on this before, or the DIY that they did, is that they chose the correct refrigerant for this, because the UV dye for hybrids are different. Yep. So it's gonna be like a slow death if you put in the wrong fluid in a hybrid. But yeah, this car is actually pretty good. It's the graphics on the dashboard is actually way better than Toyota. But I don't like the main dashboard screen though. It's kind of small, and yeah, the AC controls are pretty good. The materials are actually pretty good for a Kia. The Optima is just a small car. It's tight for me. It's also very tight, but I mean, it's a very decent car. Yep. I rented like a Kia Stinger T5 before, not the hybrid one, and it's also very decent. It has like a larger screen compared to Toyota, where they skip on the screen, I guess. But yeah, I mean, at 170,000 miles, this car drives perfectly good. And the cost for that AC hose online, if you buy them, it's like only 25 bucks. So not that bad though, not that expensive to repair.